We are often questioned as to what virtues we place as a priority to our lives. The one that I would wish to offer at this point in time is care. I believe that care may be the most fundamental. I believe that it is through care that one moves to love. Caring for others, caring for oneself, are fundamental to the cultivation of a society that is more amicable, loving, and caring. So what I want to do is to give place and pride to caring for one another, and in this case, because it is the Founders Week for Morehouse College, to understand that care is demonstrated. It is not isolated. It is not some notion of mere verbiage. It is fundamentally to act in a particular way, to live a particular way. So I ask to demonstrate your care in your lived experiences.